विमानात बॉम्ब आसा म्हूण फोन आयिल्ल्यान सोमारा राती रशियेंतल्यान गोंयांत येवपी विमान जामनगर विमानतळार देंवयल्लें. उपरांत विमानात बॉम्ब सापडूंक ना. ह्या विमानात 244 प्रवासी आशिल्ले. मंगळारा सांजे हे विमान गोंयांत दाबोळे विमानतळार देंवलें. RDXGOA खातीर दाबोळीच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Everywhere, every hour, and water and what you want. But a lot of controls in India. You know, just you go before airport, in airport once, and the second time in airport again. And after we are waiting in the small place, and after they said that we can go all over the airport. But after it was okay.
But how is there's on the fake ball about bombs something?
No. It was drinks and food and everything was.
But was there panic after we received the message of the bomb on the plane?
We didn't know about it. We know about it after.
Okay.
Yeah, when we was in the airport. It was not comfortable, but it's okay. Sorry, I have to go because
Just
I have
one last question.
9 hours outside the plane, everyone was taken out. The luggage was taken out. There were no panic, so it was very hard flight, very difficult. But luckily, everything is over.
So they are okay. They are happy with the Indian government.
Yes, absolutely. They said we had food, we had water, we had everything. So people are absolutely happy.
So now there is no scare. There is no more scare now.
No, there were no panic. There were no panic at the beginning, and there is no panic and scared now. So thanks God, everything is over.
Very good situation for Indian government. Yes, good food, good water, good, как сказать, обстакановка. Все было хорошо. It's okay, no problem, no panic.
Were you scared when you hear the message? You were scared. You get scared when you hear the message.
Ребята, я не так хорошо говорю по-английски. Sorry. No.
But how will helping on the just airport authority helping?
Yes, helping. Okay. All airport personnel helping for all passenger. Very good. It's okay. Water, food, good travel.
Your good name? Your name?
Andrei.